Good morning, students. Today we will come to Civics Chapter 4 Growing Up as Boys and Girls. This chapter is talking about the gender differences that or the gender discriminations that's happening in our country or in several societies. Okay, the society we grow See, the society we grow up in teaches us what kind of behavior is acceptable for girls and boys, or what boys and girls can or cannot do. We often grow up thinking that these things are exactly the same everywhere, but not so everywhere. The different roles assigned to boys and girls prepare them for their future roles as men and women. Most societies value men and women differently. The roles women play and the work they do are usually valued less than the roles men play and the work they do. So, we will examine how inequalities between men and women emerge in the area of work. We have some examples of two societies. We will come to first. Growing up in Samoa in 1920s. So Samoa is, we'll see, the Samoa Islands are part of a large group of islands in the southern part of the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so in the 1920s, according to research reports on Samoan society, children did not go to school. Okay, we are talking about the children of Samoa in 1920s. That time children did not go to school. They learned many things such as how to take care of children or do household work from older children and from adults. Fishing was a very important activity on the islands. Okay, young people therefore learn to undertake long fishing expeditions. Okay, they learned these things at different points in their childhood. Now we will see how the difference. As soon as babies could walk, their mothers or other adults no longer looked after them. Older children, often as young as 5 years old, took over this responsibility. Okay, looking after the babies. Both boys and girls looked after their younger siblings. Okay, it's not that only girls in Samoa. Both boys and girls looked after their younger siblings. But by the time a boy was about 9 years old, he joined the older boys in learning outdoor jobs like fishing and planting coconuts. Okay, girls had to continue looking after small children or do errands, means the household chores for adults till they were teenagers. Okay, boys got freedom or they went out of house at 9 years old, but girls had to wait till their teenage. But once they became teenagers, they had much more freedom. Okay, after the age of 14 or so, girls also went on fishing trips, worked in the plantation, learned how to weave baskets. Cooking was done in special cooking houses, okay, where boys were supposed to do most of the work while girls helped with the preparations. So boys were doing the cooking work mostly, not the girls. Okay, so girls were helping. That is something different from our society, right? In India, in our country, mostly girls do all the cooking work, but in Samoan Islands it was boys were doing the cooking was mostly, but not as here. Okay, so that's what as children they grew up in Samoa during 1920s. So you see the difference. There was not much difference. Now we will come to India. Growing up male in Madhya Pradesh in the 1960s. We are taking a state of India, Madhya Pradesh, as an example, and the time was when 1960s. Okay. From class 6 onwards, boys and girls went to separate schools. Okay, it is in 1960s in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so from 6th class onwards, girls and boys went to separate schools. The girls' school was designed very different from the boys' school. Okay, they had a central courtyard where they played in total seclusion and safety. Okay, so they had a central courtyard. Okay, so in their school, and they played in that courtyard. Okay, now the boys' school had no such courtyard. Okay, so see the difference. So girls' school had this courtyard, but boys' school didn't have such courtyards. And where boys, how they played, see, our playground, see, the boys playground was just a big space attached to the school. Okay, it was just a open space. Every evening once school was over, the boy, see, now here boys were, their ground was open space, they were playing, and then they played on the street. For example, now they, about the street, it was like the boys who used the street as a place to stand around idling, to play, to try out tricks with their bicycles. All these things were done by boys on the street. For the girls, the street was simply a place to get straight home. For the girls, street was just to walk or reach to their houses. It was, they were not doing anything on the street, but boys, they were playing on the street. Okay, now we will see, there are, see, growing up as boys and girls were not same in different places, especially in India and other part of the world. Okay, now see, societies make clear distinction between boys and girls. You understood? So in India it was so clear, or so the difference was so clear. This begins from a very young age. See, for example, children were given different toys to play with. Boys are usually given cars to play, and girls dolls. Girls were given dolls. See, both toys can be a lot of fun to play with, but why girls getting dolls and boys are given cars? It is talking about, see, toys become a way of telling children that they will have different futures when they become men and women. Even these toys are telling a truth, or telling something, giving a message to the children, what they have to do when they grow up into men or women. Okay, this difference is created in the smallest and most everyday things. How girls must dress, what games boys should play, how girls need to talk softly or boys need to be tough. All these things were told to children while they were so young, quite young. Okay, these are ways of telling children that they have specific roles to play when they grow up to be men and women. Okay, so later in life, this affects the subjects we can study or the careers we can choose. Even the careers, jobs, what we choose, all these have an effect. Means some jobs are for girls and some jobs are for boys. Is like that. Okay, in most societies, including our the roles men and women play or the work they do are not valued equally. Men and women do not have the same status. Okay, so the difference exists in the work done by men and women. Okay.